Alright guys. Hi guys, we're back. Today we're doing a sensory project. We're gonna do a volcano. Right? Alright, say hi.
Yeah.
Hi. Say hi to the kids. Hi. Say we miss you.
We miss
you guys. Alright, this is what we'll do. We'll have a step-by-step project.
So you can do it at home.
Yeah, so it's easy to do it at home.
First, make sure you have protection because this might make a mess. You should also do it outside.
Always have protection on your eyes, right, Aiden? So Aiden has these little science kits that he's gotten for Christmas. He has a bunch of STEM kits, so we have little things that we added. But it's very simple to do at home with your family. All you need is a pan, right? We're going to use some kind of dirt just to make like sand. We don't really have much sand, so we're going to make our own. In his STEM project, you can use any kind of cup. This right here, he has like a little volcano already pre-built. So we'll put this right in the pan like that. We're going to decorate it with like dinosaurs. All you need for this really is vinegar and baking soda. And if you want, we are going to do a little food coloring, make it look like lava. So we'll do step by step. Here we go. Alright, Aiden, you want to help me? You want to put the food coloring in together to make the lava color? So put the food coloring in first. Alright.
Make sure you get it in the top.
So what color are you going to use? Red?
I'm going to use red. I'm going to use red and a little bit of that other color.
And we're going to do yellow, right? Red and yellow mix? What color is red and yellow make?
That is orange.
Right? Good job. It makes like a lava looking. Yeah. What are you playing with, Ari? Slime? Oh, Ari got slime with a bug. Okay, you can play your slime, baby.
Alright, there we go.
You!
Food coloring's inside.
Touch it, Aiden. Touch the slime with the bug. It's so cool. Here. Alright, Ari, you can help too. Okay.
The food coloring's inside the volcano.
Okay.
Now.
No, we're outside. It's so beautiful out here. Alright.
Now you have to pour the baking soda in.
Yeah. Or you can use... Doesn't matter how messy it is. That's why we're doing it outside, because it is kind of messy. You got the coloring already in there. You want to add more color on top, maybe?
So it's more effective when we put the vinegar in, and it comes out with more color.
And then I have just dirt. We're just going to use Aiden has potting soil, so we're just going to make it like a little scene. So we're going to put some dirt. Right? Make it look really cool. Like a little scene with the volcano.
And then we'll add some grass, which is also moss. We used reindeer moss.
To make it look like we're in the volcano. So I'm covering it. You can use sand or even grass outside. We were going to pull grass, but we had this already.
Yeah, we had this moss right here.
Yeah. Alright, you want to put the bugs in there? Alright, you want to put bugs in there?
It's just moss.
You get these little plastic bugs we get at the dollar store. Very simple. My daughter already has.
And this is going to be the grass.
Alright, we'll
then
put the bugs in there.
Will be the tree.
Alright, we'll put your snake in there. Look, here, put your snake. Let him get covered. He's going to get covered.
Pull it up because there's the bug.
Okay, alright, I'll put little trees everywhere to make it look like little. It's going to look so cute.
Alright, while you're doing that, I'll sprinkle the moss.
You do the moss?
You don't have to do all this at your house, but...
No, just make it however you want. You can put your toys in there.
We're just decorating it, so...
Just like we have, because we have it. We got little dinosaurs. You're going to put by the lava. Little dinosaurs, little lizards, because we're learning about reptiles. And dinosaurs. And we got bugs, too.
Since it's review week.
Yeah, a week. But we miss you guys. I wish I could show you my little kiddos this. I miss the kids. I know a lot of kids enjoy, we did this outside before on the playground and they loved it. Alright guys, this is what ours is going to look like. It's a bunch of animals in there and we got our volcano and it's buried. Alright Aiden, you ready to pour a little bit of vinegar to see what happens? Hold it up, okay?
It's good. I'm going to pour it in
there. Scared. It's not going to explode.
Well, it will, but not so super virally. Ready?
The hole is really small on this one, but it's like, here's a cup. Oh, look at her, he's making lava! Is that cool? Put your bugs in there. The bugs want to play. Let the bugs play.
See, it makes a little reaction.
Isn't that cool, Ari?
It all just fizzes up. And then,
two more.
Alright. What happens?
Like I said, it's just vinegar and baking soda. Everybody has it at home. We always have vinegar at home for making, like, eggs. Ari, look at at the lava. And look, it's like going down the dirt. Isn't that awesome? You can make like a little shrimp.
Yeah, one more, please.
More?
Yeah.
Already wants more. Huh. There's more. There's already more baking soda in there. Come on.
Yeah.
Alright. Hopefully everybody can see out there. It's so cool.
Yeah.
Like I said, very simple but fun. Even kids this size love it.
Yeah.
It's awesome.
We'll put. Yeah, this is what you do outside. It's kind of messy.
It's very messy. That's the only thing is we recommend you doing
We'll
outside.
put
It's a
it
beautiful day today, so we sat outside.
I will put it here.
Go ahead, but you want to put more in there?
Yeah.
Okay. Put it in the hole. There you go. Make it explode, Ari.
Yeah.
Want Ari to pour a little bit? Ari, you want to try to pour a little bit? A
A
little bit. Okay, don't pour a lot. Comes out very
yeah,
fast.
don't do too much.
Whoa, good job, Ari. Your volcano is erupting.
Let's pour baking soda and vinegar at the same time to see what happens.
Okay. Alright, ready?
Mommy.
It's just because it's a big mess. But it doesn't matter if it's messy because we are outside and it's in a pan.
That's a lot.
Oh, that's so cool.
Mommy.
So there you go, guys. Very simple, simple thing to do with your kids.
Mommy,
That's a spider. I mean, yeah, I'm sorry. Fly.
Yeah.
It's very simple to do at home, guys. You can do it with your family. The kids love it. They can put their any kind of toys in there. You just wash it right off. It's just vinegar. But
And baking soda.
my kids love to do like the scene thing. They like to do like the theme that we're doing. So kind of goes. This kind of goes with the theme. Right. So.
Yeah.
All right. We just wanted to show you our step-by-step project. Very easy. You can do it at home. Hope you have fun. All right. We'll see you.
Okay,
Bye. Come on.